Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. Before we go, before we dive deeper into JavaScript world, I want to talk about two simple things that I forgot to mention at the beginning of my JavaScript tutorial, and that's JavaScript statements and white or empty space in between your codes. Now let's begin with the statement. In English language, every sentence ends with a period or dot. For example, I'm Leah Sue. That's a sentence in English, and it must end with a dot or period. JavaScript is a language too. To write the same thing in JavaScript, we can create variable my name and set its value to my name, which is Leah Sue. And because it's a statement, this whole thing, it must end with a semicolon. Now, if we had another one for my last name, let's set its value to my last name, which is Kim. Now, how do you know where the end of statement or code is if you had them like that side by side? Where that's what statement does. It helps us understand that's the end of this code or statement. Now, another thing I want to talk about is white or empty space. Now, in the old days, it's called white space because in the old days, text editors were white, I guess. But it's actually empty space because because it's empty space. It's not actually white. But because text editors were white, that's why it's called white. But nowadays, dark mode is uh, dark mode is more preferred more by developers. So you can have white space horizontally like that between your codes, but people prefer vertical because for readability. It's easier for us humans to read to read them line by line, like in English language or any other language. So that's what empty space is. You can have as many vertically and horizontally as you want, but we have commenting. If you want to separate something, just use comments. It's best practice also. Anyway, that's what JavaScript statements are and what white or empty space is. Thanks for watching and like the video if you do. I'm working on more JavaScript tutorials. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.